Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to raise a support case here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, raising a Salesforce support case is basically a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the option here on the questions or comments and type in your concern. So these are going to be one of the best options. And all you have to do is click on contact me. Another option that you can do is, of course, give them a call. These are going to be the numbers if it's available to your country or specific location. You can also find your location here. You can also have the option to get billing and tech support. All right. You have all of these options. But if you can also chat with us, chat with sales support. All right. Click that. And what will happen is you would be have the option here. Wait for it because one of the support staff will assist you in any of your concern. All right. Type your question to see if you get an answer. All right. If you don't, you see the option right here that says get billing and tech support. If you click that, you would be forwarded here in this section. You just have to navigate to the support staff. All right. And as you can see, you have to choose the option for the problem that you're encountering. So there's a lot. Of course, all you have to do is provide your email or your Salesforce. Wait for it. Click on log in and I would be forwarded to we'll fill out the case form. I'm going to allow, obviously. Wait for it to load. You see there's going to be a contact support option on the upper right corner. Click that. There should be an option that says create a case. You can submit a case and your support expert will get back to you soon. If you click that button, you need to fill out the case form. Of course, you need to choose a topic that best fits your issue, and that's going to be this. Type the description. Provide a detailed information about your problem, including any relevant information that can help the support team to understand the issue. If applicable, you might want to attach screenshots or files that can help illustrate the problem. All right. And after doing so, click on create a case. And of course, you'll receive a confirmation email with your case numbers and details. And this email will include the information on how to track your case status. And of course, the troubleshooting steps and insight that the support staff will give you. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.